Hi YouTube, part 7 of the narrowboat build. This is about as far as I've got at the moment. As you see, the cabin's complete, built in two halves. The windows are now cut, or as many as I'm going to put in. The seam down the middle has been soldered. It may need a little bit of filler in as well, but I'm trying to avoid filler if I can. That's as far as I've got at the moment. I will be putting two grab rails along the entire length of the roof, one each side. And I'm toying with the idea of actually putting proper glass in those windows. And I've built, or rather cut out, some aluminium trims to go on the outside to sort of look like frames. They're slightly smaller than the hole, so they'll cover up the edge of the glass. And I've cut some round ones as well for the portholes. And they're just there. Radio kit. Bought a very cheap transmitter receiver combination from eBay, and I was a little bit wary of it, but in actual fact it's very good. I've tried it out and it does the job very well. 2-cell LiPo, so that should 7.4 volts, 5000 milliampere hour. Ties up nicely with the rating of the motor. So it's all coming on, and one final look around here, and I'll be back to you with part 8 shortly. Bye for now.